প্রথম প্রশ্ন ফাইন্ড দ্য নিয়ারেস্ট মিনিং। ওকে, প্রথম প্রশ্ন অ্যামেলিওরেট, এটার মিনিং কি? অ্যামেন্ট। সো অ্যামেলিওরেট মিনিং ইজ অ্যামেন্ট। নেক্সট বিগাইল, বিগাইল এর মিনিং কি? বিগাইল এর মিনিং চিট। সো বিগাইল মিনিং ইজ চিট। নেক্সট ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য অপোজিট মিনিং, বলছে ব্যালেন্ট, ব্যালেন্টের অপোজিট কুইন্ট। নেক্সট ক্যাপ্রাইজ, ক্যাপ্রাইজের অপোজিট মিনিং স্টেট ফাস্টনেস, ফাস্টনেস। ওকে, নেক্সট ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ওয়ান ওয়ার্ড সাবস্টিটিউশন। A wide unbroken view is panorama. A wide unbroken view, panorama. Next, belonging to the west is occidental. Belonging to the west is occidental. Okay. Next, find the meaning of this idiom. Next, bandy word with find the meaning of this idiom. Bandy words with argue. Be down and out is be destitute. Next, fill in the blanks. The dacoit dash with all the jewelry, made off with all the jewelry. Okay, next, the lease of the shop come flat has run out. The lease of the shop come flat has run out. Next, as dry as a bone. Next, mask is mask is to face, as alias is to name. Luxury is the opulence, as poverty is to privatation. Bird is to every, pig is to sty. 15 dash is fear of being enclosing a small closed space is claustrophobia, is the fear of being enclosed in a small closed space. Next, happening once in 3 years is denoted by terrennial. So happening once in 3 years is denoted as terrennial. 17 broadcast report of a public event or news of something important is bulletin. So broadcast report of a public event or news of something important is bulletin. Next, man is dash whenever he is more in need of mental companionship when the physical companionship. So man is gregarious, however he is more in need of mental companionship than in the physical companionship. So man must be in gregarious, man is gregarious. So next, um, he is the best man of this job, he has mental adroitness. Next 20 দাগে বলছে জিন্স ডি লেটার refers to a literary man. Next, use the collective noun. A dash of bells, a pail of bells. A dash of goods, এটা হবে a consignment of goods. Fill in the blanks with suitable word. বলছে crescendo is to sound, as acceleration is to speed. Next, abstinacy is to inhabitation, as celibacy is to promiscuity. 25 I didn't know what dashed him to commit his crime, what promoted him to commit this crime. Okay, next, who was the ruler of the first adopted Patliputra as his capital? Is Chandragupta Maurya. Make Patliputra as his capital. Next, which of the following is related to the origin of the caste system? Is Purushukta is the one follow the related to the origin of caste system. Next, Mughal Empire in India, who gave Surat to British East India Company was Jahangir. জাহাঙ্গীর যে কিনা মুঘল এম্পায়ার ছিল, যে ব্রিটিশকে সুরাট দিয়ে দিয়েছিল। 29 the correct chronological sequence of the entry of the given alien power to India: first Greek, Indo-Greek, then Elohun, then Scythians, next Kushan. Okay, next 30 among the following four works mentioned below, which one is encyclopedia in nature? Is Amarkosh is the encyclopedia in nature. Next, which of the following woman philosopher challenged the invisible Yajna Balika's debate in the age of Upanishad? Is Gargi. Okay, so 32 এর দাগের বলছে the famous battle of Wahind হয়েছিল 101 AD, take place between Joypal and Muhammad of Ghazni. Next, Jina Sen, the famous Jain scholar and author of Adi Puran, was the court of Rashtrakud ruler Amogh Varsha I. So Jin Sen, the famous Jain scholar and author of Adi Puran, was at the court of Rashtrakud ruler Amogh Varsha I. Next, which one of the following kingdom was referred as Ruhmi by Arabian merchant Suleiman? Spala. So, which of the following kingdom? Pal kingdom was referred as Ruhmi by the Arab merchant Suleiman. Next, who was the Solanki ruler when Muhammad Ghazni invaded, plundered the Somnath temple? সোলাঙ্কি রুলার কে ছিল যখন মোহাম্মদ ঘুরি ইনভেড এবং প্লান্টার করেছিল সোমনাথ টেম্পল? এটা হবে ভীম ওয়ান। নেক্সট, which of the following Pal ruler is said to have been elected by the people themselves to remove anarchy and establish the law and order? Is Gopal. Gopal is the পাল বংশের প্রতিষ্ঠাতা। Next, when the Sultan of Delhi established an employment bureau, a charity bureau, and a charitable hospital, was Firoz Tughlaq. When Sultan of Delhi established an employment bureau, a charity bureau, and charitable hospital was created, who was he? He was Firoz Tughlaq. Next, who was Shahriyat, a market superintendent? Shahriyat ke market superintendent. Okay. Next, who was the first Sultan to play soldier in cash instead of ইখতা? এটা আলাউদ্দিন খলজি করেছিল। Next question, who destroyed the Jagannath temple of Puri? পুরীর জগন্নাথ টেম্পল ফিরোজ তুগলক ধ্বংস করেছিল। Next question, which dynasty marked the end of Turkish nobility from the position of power? Is Lodi. Next, who is identified as Tamerlane? Is Taimur. During Firoz Tughlaq's long reign of 37 years, there was only one rebellion by a noble. There was only one rebellion by a noble. Who was he? He is Malik Sham-Uddin Damghami. Next, which Sultan had the above words in his motto or guiding maxim? Is Firoz Tughlaq. Next, which Sultan wanted to found a new religion but was advised against it by ulema? তবে আলাউদ্দিন খিলজি। Okay, next, the chief architect under Firoz Tughlaq who gave the shape of many building, bridge, canal, reservoir, tomb and mosque was Malik Gazi Sahanat. Todormal was a brilliant revenue officer who first surrendered under Sher Shah. So Todormal was a brilliant revenue officer who first served under Sher Shah. Next, what was the ancient principality of Babur? Is Farghana. Next, whose outrage behavior is said to be the mainly responsible for the revolt of Bairam Khan against Akbar is Pir Muhammad. Next, pick out the first and the last terrestrial conquest of Akbar respectively from the among of the following is Malwa and Ashirgarh. India's largest floating solar power plant was opened in which state? Kerala. So floating solar power plant opened in Kerala. Next, which country has recently withdrawn from United Nations Global Compact on Migration? It is United States of America. Next, 101. The day Mahatma Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement. The day Mahatma Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement, a great nationwide leader, a great national leader died. Who was he? He was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next, which of the following was not one of the founder of Khilafat movement formed in the wake of the dismemberment of Turkish Empire, which was presided as undermining the position of Sultan of Turkey is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next, who organized Satyagraha Sabha, whose member took a pledge to disobey the Rowlatt Act? It was Mahatma Gandhi. Eka movement was occurred in the year 1921. So Eka movement occurred in the year 1921. Meerut conspiracy case was conducted against communists. The Montagu-Chelmsford proposal were related to constitutional reform. So the Montagu-Chelmsford proposal was related to constitutional reform. Next, consider the following. Calcutta Unitary Committee, Tabernacle of New Dispensation, India Reform Association. Keshavachandra Sen is associated with which established above 2 and 3 is the right answer over here. Next, what was the main reason for the split of Indian National Congress in Surat in 1907? Extremists lacked the faith of capacity of the moderate to negotiate that the British government. So option B is right answer over here. Next, the plan of Sir Stafford Cripps envisaged that after the Second World War, India should be given the Dominion status. Next, the Swadesian boycott were adopted as methods to struggle the first time during the agitation against the partition of Bengal. So, Swadesian boycott were adopted as a method to struggle for the first time during agitation against partition of Bengal. Next, Subhash Chandra Bose fought the presidential election in 1939 on the ground of he favored as a aggressive policy which was opposed by the Congress leader. So option D is the right answer here. Next, Lord Macaulay was associated to codification of law. Codification of law. Lord Macaulay was associated with codification of law. Next, the lower caste tried to assert themselves by borrowing and imitating customs and manner of the upper caste. This was termed as Sanskritization by Nanavan M.N. Srinivas. Next, who among the following was not a member of the Congress Socialist Party, although he encouraged and blessed its formation, was Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, the Congress president who conducted negotiation with Cripps in 1942 and Wavell at Shimla Conference was Abdul Kalam Azad. Next, which one of the following principles at constitutional provision which were later incorporated the Montagu-Chelmsford Report was Lucknow Pact. Next, the British government introduced the portfolio system first time in 1961. Next, Whiteley Commission was concerned with labor. Next, the Indian Association played on the important role in arousing national consciousness through the formation of Indian National Conference. Next, which of the following is correctly paired? Bharat Mata, Ajit Singh. Which of the following is correctly paired? Rowlatt Act by Lord Chelmsford, who said Congress movement was neither inspired by people nor devised or planned by them. বলেছে Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, who described Bal Gangadhar Tilak as the father of Indian unrest. এটা বলেছে Valentina Chirol. Next, what is the name of the Bengali monthly founded and edited by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1873? Was Bongodarshan. When and by whom was the Night Service Society founded? 1914. M. Padmanabha Pillai. Next, which one of the following states recorded the highest literacy in 2011? Is Mizoram. Next, percentage of mineral or in soil is 45%. Next, Sabar people are mostly live in the district of Paschim Medinipur. Which is the biggest port of the country? Is Mumbai. Next, which type of irrigation cover the second largest area of the net sown area? Is canal irrigation. Only natural harbor in east coast plain of India is Visakhapatnam. Next, Blind Valley is found in karst topography. Next, latitudinal extension of West Bengal is 21 degree 38 minute north to 27 degree and 10 minute north. Next, formation year of Goa is 1987. 1966 no, 1987 is the formation year of Goa as a state. Which seaport is Asia's first EPZ or export processing zone? Is Kandla. Next, which one of the following river is not connected with the Parpas Ganga Kaveri link? Is Narmada. Next, which one is the India's longest road tunnel? Is Chennai to Nashik tunnel. Next question, which mountain peak is called the Great Black? Is Makalu. Makalu is called the Great Black. Next, the normal date of onset of southwest monsoon of South Bengal is 5 to 10 June. Next, track wide of standard gauge is 1.43 meter. Next, formation year of Jhargram district is 4th of April 2017. So Jhargram district formed on 4th of April 2017. Next, syntaxial band is associated with the origin of Himalaya. Next, child sex ratio of West Bengal is 956. The past 2 decade globalization has rapid movement in the goods, service and investment between the countries. Next, goals of the World Bank include promotion of foreign investment, promotion of international trade, facilitate the capital investment, all of this. Next, which of the following is not near money? Paper note is not a near money. Major function of IMF is overseas arrangement of fixed exchange rate are providing short-term capital both. So option D is the right answer. Next, India is set to withdraw MFN status in which country is Pakistan. Cabinet has been approved India stand on what at WTO its food security. Next, which scheme has started in 1993 to create self-employment opportunity for educated unemployment youth in rural areas and small town is Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. Next, what is the NABARD pilot? What is the NABARD pilot project for digitization of SHG called is eShakti? Which of the following got accredited by the Green Climate Fund as a national implementation entity for undertaking climate change related project in India is NABARD. Next, the first Indian RRB to achieve core banking solution in 2011 is Rushikula Gram Bank. Rushikilla Gramya Bank. Next, cooperative banks are regulated by the Reserve Bank of India under which Act? Banking Regulation Act of 1949, Banking Law Application to Cooperative Society Act 1965. So option D is the right answer here, both A and B. Next, 155 which one of the following is correct sequence in the decrease order of contributing of defense sector in the gross domestic product of India is service sector first, then industry, then agriculture. Next, which of the following is not a cash crop? Is jowar is not a cash crop. Next, who of the following pupil would be in the favor of inflation? Students with student loan would be the favor of inflation. Consider the following statement. GDP is a better measure of national income than GNP. Now, GNP is always higher than GDP. না, কখনো সমান, কখনো হায়ার, কখনো লোয়ার, ডাইরেক্টলি এরকম ভাবে বলা যায় না, সো এটাও হচ্ছে না, সো neither one not two. Next, who among the following was the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The Prime Minister of India has full direction in the choice of person who are serving the ministry in the cabinet. The joint session of both House of Parliament cannot be summoned to amend the constitution, as well as money bill. Next, in an election, electioneering has the cease in a constituency 48 hours before the hour of commencement of the polling. Next, which article of the Constitution of India provides that it shall be the endeavour of every state to provide adequate facility for instruction in the mother tongue as a primary stage of education under Article 350A. In India, judicial review implies the power of judiciary to pronounce upon the constitutionality of law and executive order. Next, if a new state of the Indian Union is to be created, which of the following schedule of the Constitution of India must be amended? First schedule. Next, which article of the Constitution of India state that the executive power of the every state shall be so exercised as not to be impeded or prejudice the exercise of the executive power of the Union under Article 257? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Dadra and Nagar Haveli under the French colony. Okay, so যেগুলো ঠিক, Goa attained full statehood in 1987 through. Next, Daman Diu is an island of Gulf of Kamba. Through Daman and Diu were separated from Goa by 52nd Amendment of the Constitution. এটাও true. So option D হবে এখানে উত্তর। আচ্ছা, আগেরটা হচ্ছে which article of the Constitution of Indian state that the executive power of the every state shall be investigated as not to impede the prejudice exercise executive power under the union, under article 257. Okay, next, the primary function of the finance commission. So the primary function of the finance commission in India is to distribute the revenue between the center and state. Center এবং স্টেটের মধ্যে revenue distribute করা is the primary function. Next, the abolition of IAS IPS has been recommended by Raja Mannar Commission. So the abolition of IAS and IPS was recommended by Raja Mannar Commission. Next, the most short-lived of all of Britain constitutional experiment is Government of Indian Council Act of 1909. Next, the basic features of the Constitution which was not amended under Article 368 is sovereignty, terrestrial integrity, federal system, judicial review, and parliamentary system of the government. Option D is the right answer here. Next, a proclamation of emergency under Article 352 on account of war and or external aggression require approved Parliament within 1 month. When the annual Union budget is not passed by Lok Sabha, the Prime Minister submits his resignation, Council of Ministry. Next, all the revenues received by the Union government by way of taxes and other received for the conduct of government business are credited to the Consolidated Fund of India. Option A. Next, the abnormally high boiling point of water is comparison of that hydrogen sulfide is due to the hydrogen bonding. Next question 176. In the industrial production of vegetable ghee, the process involve use of nickel reduction and use of hydrogen. So option B. Next, a solution of washing soda is in water is neutral. আচ্ছা, next বলছে which of the following is not an ore of aluminium? It is cinnabar. Next, amatol is used as an explosive, is a mixture of ammonium nitrate and TNT. Number of electron present in 1 mole of water is 6.023 into 10 to the power 24. এখানে 1 mole বলে দিয়েছে। Number of electrons present in 1 mole of water 6.023 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, next, hybridization of carbon atom in diamond is sp3. Crossing over occurs during Pachytene. Semi-autonomous cellular organelle are mitochondria, chloroplast, both A and B. An egg-laying mammal is platypus. Semicircular canal are filled with endolymph. The organ of cortisol to sound impulse to cerebrum through 8-inch cranial nerve. Next, 188. Sugarcane is normally grown by cutting. Next, Wellman tissue are seen is epiphytes. Next 190. The arrangement of leaves on stem or on the branches is called phylactics. Which of the following is an example of insectivorous plant is Nepenthes? Angle of contract of 90 degree for silver and water. Path of particle in projectile motion is parabola. Absolute power of idea. Absolute power of idea. Ideal black body is 1. Absolute power of ideal black body is 1. Next, how many times the kinetic energy become? Kinetic energy become 0 during one complete oscillation of simple pendulum is 2 times. Next, if the radius of a circular motion decrease, then the centripetal force increase. Radius কমে গেলে centripetal force বেড়ে যাবে. Okay. Next, the possible maximum value of Poisson's ratio is plus half. Next, if mass of Earth increase 2 times, keep radius constant, then the acceleration, then the escape velocity from the Earth's surface increase by root 2 times. Next, velocity of good lubricant is high. Velocity of good lubricant is high. Next, the eye of a potato tube are auxiliary bud.